This is the iPad Pro 4th generation 11-inch model, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So first of all, make sure that your tablet is connected to the Wi-Fi network, then launch the App Store. At the search bar, type in Opera. Once the needed app is found, click on this little button. In your case, it can be either a gap button like that or a little cloud button, which you get once you have previously, installed the app on this account, on the Apple ID account that you use. But it doesn't really matter, both the buttons will lead you to installing the Opera. So now we can launch it and undergo a very simple and quick setup procedure. So here, click on the blue Continue button. Next, choose what options you would like to be enabled, which includes the ad blocking and cryptocurrency mining protection, and decide whether you would like for the Opera to follow your system appearance, whether the system will be in a dark or light mode. And finally, you can start browsing after tapping on the respective button. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.